Imagine a world where cleaning is no longer a chore, but an almost magical experience, where a small, discreet, and efficient assistant takes care of everything without you having to lift a finger. This assistant is none other than the HONITURE G20 vacuum robot, a concentrate of technology designed to make your life easier, cleaner, and incredibly comfortable. In the following minutes, let me take you into the world of the HONITURE G20, a robot like no other. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This vacuum robot is ideal for pet owners and families looking for an effective cleaning solution to keep their floors and carpets free from hair and dirt. Its ultra-slim design and high suction power make it the perfect companion for those who value effortless cleanliness. The HONITURE G20 is not just a vacuum cleaner, it is a true 3-in-1 cleaning companion, capable of sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping your floors with remarkable ease. Its suction power reaches 4,000 PA, an impressive force for a device of its size, allowing it to effectively capture pet hair, dust, and food debris on all surfaces, from carpets to hard floors. But what truly sets the HONITURE G20 apart is its ability to adapt to your life. Controllable via an app, a remote control, or simply the buttons on the machine, it offers you total flexibility. Whether you are at home or not, you maintain total control, able to trigger a cleaning or schedule sessions at your convenience, all with just a few clicks on your smartphone. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The design of the HONITURE G20 is the result of 2 years of intense research and development by HONITURE, aimed at creating the most advanced and popular vacuum robot on the market. With a height of only 7.6 centimeters, its ultra-slim body easily slips under furniture, eliminating hidden dust and debris with formidable efficiency. Its innovative structure includes an easy-to-remove dustbin and a water tank, the latter being adjustable for precise washing with the option to add a non-foaming detergent for a spotless result. The HONITURE G20 also stands out for its intelligence. Thanks to HSmart 2.0 navigation, it abandons random cleaning patterns in favor of a methodical approach, systematically covering every square inch of your floor. It even detects carpets to increase its suction power and ensure deep cleanliness. And for the areas you prefer to exclude, a simple 2-meter magnetic strip is enough to define its path. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The benefits of the HONITURE G20 don't stop there. Its brushless motor and deck ensure durability and stability. Meanwhile, the high-efficiency blue HEPA filter captures even the finest particles, ensuring cleaner air in your home. And with a 2-year warranty, HONITURE is committed to supporting you in the long term, providing assistance and advice to maximize the use of your robot. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, 3-in-1 versatility. Capable of sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping, providing a complete cleaning solution. Advantage number 2, high suction power. With 4,000 PA, it is very effective at removing pet hair, dust, and debris. Advantage number 3, flexible control. It can be controlled via the app, the remote control, or directly on the device, offering great convenience. Advantage number 4, smart design. The HSmart 2.0 intelligent navigation allows for methodical and efficient cleaning of the entire surface. Advantage number 5, easy access under furniture. Thanks to its ultra-slim body, it easily cleans under all furniture. Advantage number 6, adaptability. Automatically increases suction power on carpets for deep cleaning. Advantage number 7, ease of maintenance. The dustbin and the integrated water tank simplify the installation and removal process. Advantage number 8, silent. Ultra-quiet operation, ideal for daily use without disturbing. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, regular maintenance. Like most vacuum robots, regular maintenance is necessary to ensure optimal performance, including cleaning the filters and replacing the brushes. Finally, we touch on the heart of what makes the HONITURE G20 so special. In addition to its exceptional performance and thoughtful design, it represents a promise, that of a home that is always welcoming and clean, where you can focus on what truly matters to you. And if you are ready to turn this vision into reality, just click on the link in the description to order your HONITURE G20 at the best price and discover the thousands of customer reviews that testify to its impressive quality and effectiveness. And finally, enjoy a sparkling clean home, Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.